Credit Expert Review. In today's video, I'm diving into my Credit Expert Review, where I'll share my personal usage experience with this credit repair service. Links to the product can be found in the description below, making it easy for you to check it out. Credit Expert is designed for individuals who are serious about improving their credit scores, whether you're looking to qualify for a loan, mortgage, or just take control of your financial health. What sets Credit Expert apart is its data-driven approach to credit repair. The service doesn't just dispute negative items on your credit report. Instead, it uses advanced algorithms to generate a customized action plan tailored to your specific credit situation. This allows you to target the most impactful issues that will make the biggest difference in your score. One of the standout features of Credit Expert is its credit score simulator. This tool lets you simulate how different actions, like paying down debt or disputing negative items, will affect your score. It provides a clear picture of what steps to take for the best results. It's a great way to see how your credit can improve with strategic decisions, and it takes the guesswork out of the process. Another strong feature is Credit Expert's educational resources. They don't just do the work for you, they teach you about credit management. From understanding credit scores to learning about credit utilization, they offer valuable knowledge that helps you make informed decisions to maintain long-term credit health. Customer service is another area where Credit Expert excels. Their support team is knowledgeable and available to guide you through the process, answering questions and providing advice. Overall, Credit Expert is a comprehensive and effective credit repair solution for anyone serious about improving their credit. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, I highly recommend checking out Credit Expert by clicking the links in the description.